Do you consider yourself a strategist? Pause for a moment and consider this. Every single day, you make choices, decisions that guide your path, your actions. Each decision, whether it's what to have for breakfast, which route to take to work, or how to approach a problem, is in fact a strategy. So yes, you are a strategist, and as you navigate the complex web of life, you are also a leader, guiding your own journey with a sense of purpose and direction. Picture this, an artist lost in the world of colors and canvas. They may argue that they lack structure, that they simply paint as the mood takes them. But in reality, every brushstroke, every color choice is a strategic decision. It's the artist's leadership of their work that brings the chaos of creativity into a meaningful, purposeful piece of art. But often, the fear of commitment, the fear of failure, holds us back. It's like a fog that obscures the path, leaving us feeling lost and confused. But what if you knew that this fear was just that, a fear, nothing more? What if you realized that your purpose, your calling, is right in front of you, waiting for you to embrace it? Remember the joy of childhood, the simple pleasure of doing something you loved. That is your calling, your passion. And it's not about grand visions or lofty goals. It's about taking small steps every single day towards that passion. Maybe you dream of standing on stage, accepting an Oscar. But right now, your stage might be a local community theater or a YouTube channel. And that's okay, because every step, no matter how small, is a step forward. Being strategic is about breaking down those big dreams into manageable, achievable steps. It's about writing your plan of action, setting deadlines, scheduling tasks. It's about commitment and consistency. And it's about enjoying the process, because the journey is just as important as the destination. But to truly succeed, to turn your passion into a thriving creative business, you need to shift your mindset. You're not just an artist, you're the CEO of your creative enterprise. And that requires long-term thinking, consistent action, and the courage to face and overcome your fears. But most importantly, it requires faith, the ability to inspire faith in others, to lead them on this journey with you. That's the essence of leadership. So, whether you're an artist, a writer, a musician, or an entrepreneur, remember this: you are a strategist, you are a leader, and every single day you have the power to make strategic decisions that move you closer to your goals. It's all about commitment, consistency, and courage. So embrace your calling, face your fears, and start your journey today.